And the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone. Beneath the halo of a street lamp, I turned my corner to the golden dawn, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share. No one dared break the sound of silence. Things that I do not know, silence like their cancer grows. Here are words that I might teach you. Take my arms that I might reach you. But my words like sand raindrops fell. Of silence, and the people bow and pray to the neon goblin moon, and the sun flashed out its warning, and the word that it was for me, and the signs and the words of the prophets are written in the subway walls and telephones, and whisper in the sound of silence.
Ladies and gentlemen, Fort Worth High School.